Yesterday when I was shooting video, I saw this. JVZoo congratulating me for a milestone as a seller, $250,000. And today when I opened JVZoo, I found congratulations on reaching this milestone as an affiliate. $500,000 literally from a part-time venture is so awesome. I would take $500,000 every day. Thanks to JVZoo for this nice gesture, but we don't really operate much on JVZoo. We more operate on Warrior Plus and other channels. But again, $500,000 is so awesome. And yes, everybody would say that this is good money, but this is not the most important number. Money is just a resultant of helping people with simple information that they're looking for, and the information that's already out there on the internet. What we do is simply put those information together, slap them in our artificial intelligence software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Turn them into videos using artificial intelligence and publish them on YouTube and get results like this. Look at one of my JVZoo account results. $3,922 in affiliate commissions. And this is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, $2,399. Now these numbers are also good, but I was talking about customers. These visitors and these hops are the customers who saw our videos on YouTube, loved the information, they clicked our links, and they decided to purchase according to our recommendation. And we made money. These are the customers, and we want to thank all of our customers. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. We need your help to get there. We need you to like this video and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook timeline, Twitter timeline. Everyone else learns about how easy it is to make money online. Of course, everybody gets access to our softwares as well. You help others, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and thousands of other people make money, and you can do it too. Go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. So what do we do and how do we make money? How can you make money? So in this video, I'm going to share how you can make money and how you can make $124,000 like this person without doing any extra work using the same software we use. Can be done from anywhere on the planet, and whatever your experience level is, whether you're a beginner or a professional, you can still do it. You can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, and bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? Awesome. So again, we make videos. But unlike these videos, we make videos using our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence, turns that script into natural sounding voiceover. It makes videos using image, links, and texts, so we don't have to use camera and microphones. Epic makes bite-sized videos and compile them in any length and size of videos in just one push of a button. Make videos using 3 to 5 minutes of our times without using camera, without microphone, without writing script, using AI software Epic. Link is in the description, free for my YouTube viewers, go grab it. Okay, this is how YouTube looks like. You don't really click on a video and watch a video if the thumbnail is not catchy enough. The thumbnail catches your attention, make you click and watch a video, then only you click. You understand the importance of thumbnails. This is why hundreds of thousands of YouTubers go to Fiverr, make their thumbnails. We don't, you will not have to. You will use our software. It's a free software, link is in the description. Also, I will show you the software we use. If you look at the number of sales, you will be amazed to see thousands of sales. An example of this person, 1,240 5-star ratings. The average price of her gig is $10. If we consider 10% people come back and leave a rating, the number of total sales is 1,240. So the total revenue earned from this gig alone is $124,000. That's six figures from just using templates, clicks, drags and drops. Really? Yes, really. We use this software. It's called Thumbnail Blaster. You will find hundreds of templates done for you, ready-made templates for YouTubers. And you can see my photos and you will see my thumbnails as well. How did we make these thumbnails? Well, we choose any of the thumbnails from the software, change the text a little bit to match our video and publish. It literally takes seconds to make catchy, clicks-getting thumbnails using Thumbnail Blaster. In case you're on budget, there is a free thumbnail maker in the description, grab it. If you want to invest in this awesomeness that we use, you can use and you can even make money making thumbnails for others, from the link in the description, grab Thumbnail Blaster. You might be asking, how do we make money as an affiliate marketer? Actually, very simple. Do a little research using softwares like Ubersuggest. There are so many other softwares. We use Ubersuggest because we like it. Go to the keyword ideas area under keyword section and use any keyword that we feel that people might be interested in. Keyword that's related to the product we are promoting. Now, right now we are talking about thumbnails. So let's search with thumbnail and see how many people are looking for thumbnails and what other things people are looking for, to learn, want to do, want to search on Google. So this is what we found. Look, people are looking for thumbnail only 27,100 times on Google every single month. Or in other words, 27,100 people on Google search about thumbnail every month. Wow, that's a lot. The questions that people want answers of: thumbnail size for YouTube, 49,500 searches. How thumbnail size for YouTube, 49,000 searches again. Go down, down and down below, find thumbnail editor, 720 people. Now, thumbnail editor is a software. The people who search this kind of keyword, they know that they have to buy the software. So we make videos using Epic to answer these questions and help people sincerely find the answers they're looking for. Epic is free, by the way, link is in the description. And then we make a click-getting thumbnail using a couple of seconds with Thumbnail Blaster. Publish the thumbnail directly to the video from Thumbnail Blaster without even going to YouTube. And you can see our numbers here. We are making good money. And on top of that, just making thumbnails, 124,000 from Fiverr, from 1 gig is awesome. Well, I think this video is about a lot of money. You just need to use Epic to make simple videos. You just need Thumbnail Blaster if you want. Get it from the link in the description. If you are on budget, there is a free thumbnail builder. Not so powerful as this one, but it will do the job. Link is in the description. Softwares like Ubersuggest will give you idea what people are looking for. YouTube is also free. When you search with these keywords on YouTube, from the number of views on the videos and from these kind of numbers, you will know what people are looking for. That's it. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator, artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then Play with the size, shape, and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section, and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend, and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Features include heavy-duty frame, constructed with premium quality, Olympic plate storage, comes with safety clips, organize weights on racks while adding extra stability when utilizing the machine. By the way, weights not included. And Olympic bars fits up to 7 feet. All other technical details are here. Here is a customer review. The rack is sturdy and pretty easy to assemble. Everything seemed to fit together smoothly. I have used it for squats, bench, and pull-ups since installing without issue. If you are going to go extremely heavy like around 350 on bench, you might want to bolt to the floor. My standard Olympic bar fits without issue. If you are looking for a solid rack and don't care about accessories, then this is a good half rack. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. We need your help to get there. We need you to like this video and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook timeline, Twitter timeline. Everyone else learns about how easy it is to make money online. Of course, everybody gets access to our softwares as well. You help others, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and thousands of other people make money, and you can do it too. Go ahead, like and share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.